चतुर्थः पाठः Lesson 4 Pitre Namaha Salutations to the father. And here father is none other than King Dasharatha. Ramaha Lakshmanasya Bhrata Asti. Ramaha Rama Lakshmanasya of Lakshmana Bhrata brother Asti is. Ramaha Lakshmanasya Bhrata Asti. Rama is the brother of Lakshmana. Ramaha Lakshmanasya Kidrishaha Bhrata Asti. Ramaha Rama Lakshmanasya of Lakshmana Kidrishaha what kind of Bhrata brother Asti is. So Ramaha Lakshmanasya Kidrishaha Bhrata Asti. So what is the sibling relationship between Rama and Lakshmana, or what kind of brothers are Rama and Lakshmana? Na saha Lakshmanasya sahodaraha bhrata. Na is no or not. Saha is he. He in this case refers to Rama. Lakshmanasya of Lakshmana. Sahodaraha bhrata. Sahodaraha bhrata refers to brothers born from the same mother. In this case, the mothers are different. King Dasharatha is your father, but Rama was born to Kausalya and Lakshmana was born to Sumitra. So their mothers are different. Hence, they are not referred to as Sahodaraha Bhrata. And that is indicated by the term Na. So, Na Saha Lakshmanasya Sahodaraha Bhrata. Rama is not the Sahodara Bhrata of Lakshmana. Katham etat. Katham is how, etat means this. So the meaning of it is Katham etat means why is it so? Ramasya Mata Kausalya. Ramasya of Rama, Mata mother Kausalya. So Ramasya Mata Kausalya, Rama's mother is Kausalya, or the mother of Rama is Kausalya. Parantu Lakshmanasya Mata Sumitra. Parantu but Lakshmanasya of Lakshmana, Mata mother Sumitra. Parantu Lakshmanasya Mata Sumitra. But the mother of Lakshmana is Sumitra. तस्मात् रामः लक्ष्मणस्य सापत्नः भ्राता अस्ति न तु सहोदरः. तस्मात् therefore Ramah Rama Lakshmanasya of Lakshmana Sapatnaha Bratha Asti. Sapatnaha Bratha refers to the special case where the father is the same but the mothers are different. So therefore Lakshmana is a Sapatnaha Bratha of Rama and not na tu sahodaraha. Tu means but. Sahodaraha, as we already saw earlier, he is not the Sahodara Bhrata of Lakshmana. So Rama and Lakshmana share this relationship. Okay. Tasmat Ramaha Lakshmanasya Sapatnaha Bhrata Asti na tu Sahodaraha. Tathapi Ramaha Lakshmanasya Priyaha. Tathapi means even then. Ramaha Rama Lakshmanasya of Lakshmana Priyaha. Priyaha means dear or favorite. Tathapi Ramaha Lakshmanasya Priyaha. Even then, even though they are not born from the same mother, Rama is extremely dear to Lakshmana. Lakshmanaha cha Ramasya Priyaha. Lakshmanaha Lakshmana cha, in this context it is and or also Ramasya of Rama Priyaha, favorite or dear. Lakshmanaha cha Ramasya Priyaha. So Lakshmana is also the favorite or extremely dear to Rama. Rama Lakshmanau dvau api nrupasya Dasharathasya priyau ativa priyau. Rama Lakshmanau dvau. So both Rama and Lakshmana. Api is also nrupasya Dasharathasya of King Dasharatha priyau, dear or favorite again. Ativa priyau. Ativa means extremely dear. So Rama Lakshmanau dvau api nrupasya Dasharathasya priyau ativa priyau. So both Rama and Lakshmana also are extremely dear to King Dasharatha. Nrupaya Dasharathaya Namaha. Nrupa means king. So as we saw, whenever the term Namaha is used, the noun has to be in Chaturthi Vibhakti. So Dasharatha is the noun that is used in conjunction with Namaha. So therefore, the Chaturthi Vibhakti of Dasharatha is Dasharathaya. So Dasharathaya Namaha. And Nrupa is the adjective or the qualifier of Dasharatha, like King Dasharatha. So therefore, that qualifier or the adjective also should be in the Chaturthi Vibhakti. So hence we have here Nrupaya Dasharathaya Namaha. So salutations to King Dasharatha. Let us read this simple lesson once again. Chaturtha Pataha Pitre Namaha. Ramaha Lakshmanasya Bhrata Asti. Ramaha Lakshmanasya Kidrishaha Bhrata Asti. Na Saha Lakshmanasya Sahodaraha Bhrata. Katam Etat Ramasya Mata Kausalya Parantu Lakshmanasya Mata Sumitra. Tasmat Ramaha Lakshmanasya Sapatnaha Bhrata Asti. Natu Sahodaraha. Tathapi रामः लक्ष्मणस्य प्रियः लक्ष्मणः च रामस्य प्रियः रामलक्ष्मणौ द्वौ अपि नृपस्य दशरथस्य प्रियौ अतीव प्रियौ नृपाय दशरथाय नमः।